In this video, I will show you how to change your default from Apple Maps to Google Maps. So if you want to do this, we first need to have Gmail and Google Chrome set to our default mail and default browser. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, we're going over to our settings, and from our settings, we're going to scroll down all the way, and there we're going to click on apps at the bottom. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then first we're going to Chrome to set this as our default browser. So click on Chrome. And once you do that, you need to click on default browser app. Click on this in here and now set it to Chrome. So once you have done this, click on back, click on apps again, and then search for Gmail. And you also need to have both apps installed. So click on Gmail, then click on default email app, and then change this to Gmail. So once you have done this, we can go to our home screen again. And from here, we can start opening our Gmail app. So click on Gmail. And from here, you're going to click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, we're going to scroll down all the way, and there we're going to click on settings. From your settings, you're going to scroll down, and there under general, you will find default apps. So click on this. And now at the bottom, you see navigate from your location. And now you need to be sure that you set this to Google Maps. And right now it is set to Apple Maps. So I'm going to set this to Google Maps in here. And down below, I'm going to set this to Google Maps as well. And that is basically how you do it. So this is how you change defaults from Apple Maps to Google Maps. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.